Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to use the 18birdies app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download and install your 18birdies app from your Player App Store. Then from there, for the first time, go ahead and open it up. Then from here, we've got an option to get started or log in. So if you've got an account, go ahead and click on login. If you don't, go ahead and click on get started. So from here, sign up so we can join millions of golfers improving their game every round. So there's two options. We can continue with our Google account or continue with phone or email. For this demonstration, I'm going to continue with my Google account. Now I'm going to choose my correct account here, tutorial is. Now this is going to simply sign me up and sign me at the same time. So we can start with a free trial if we like, or we can just simply click out of this and have a suss of the game. I'm just going to click out of this again, and then it'll say enable location to use GPS on the course. They'll need your location to find courses nearby and give you accurate distances on the course. So go ahead and click on continue. Click while using the app. From here, if you want, you can turn on notifications to get updates from friends and tips to help you play better golf. Simply click allow. Now on this page, set your scoring goal. So you want to track your progress and get tips to shoot lower scores. So if you want to break 100, choose break 100, break 70, or if you don't have one yet, click onto that. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to click on that one. Then set your golf bag. So add clubs to get on course club recommendations for every shot. So click continue. And now we can add up to 15 clubs in your bag. So if you got all 15, click add all. If you got certain clubs, just go ahead and click on the blue plus icon so you can see the 15 ones. Also, you can add your own club type as well. So if you click on that, you can change your club type and number as well. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and add all. And then from here, my golf bag, we can enter the club distance in that. So we can change the distance here. And then it'll say how far do you hit this club. So you put in yards, then click continue. From here, go ahead and click onto save. Now from here, you want to find your friends, so you can easily click with friends and let them find you on 18birdies. If you like to do that, you can click continue, and it's going to allow you to access your contacts. So click allow. Then from here, it will say welcome to 18birdie. We're ready to tee off. Start your journey to better golf now. So click on start exploring. Okay, so from here, it's going to show you the closest golf course near you. So I've got the Regency Park Golf Club, which is under 1 mile away, so I can head there and start around if I like, or I can click onto switch course or go ahead and preview. So if I click preview on my closest golf course, so I can have a look at the Regency Park Golf Course like so, which is pretty cool. And it's going to give you some see wind and slope here. Hole 1, you can do hole 2, hole 3. It's going to show you all the different holes on this particular golf course, and it's going to give you details about each hole. So mid green, 158 yards, par 3, 16 handicap, etc. Go ahead and start around if you like to start around at hole 1 here. If I go back and have a look at the sea wind and slope, I can have a look at plays like and see the wind, elevation, temperature, altitude, and live angle, which is flat. So that's pretty cool. And now there's a little tools button here, and you can change your on this, you can change the angle and stuff like that as well. And on the bottom of the page, it's going to say tools, so we can have a look at the tools here. So we can have a look at 3D green maps for approaches, shot, and putt breaks. But this is a premium version of this app, and also blind shot, so know where the flag is even when you can't see the green. We can add some distant arcs if we like, and add some notes, so log notes on the best way to play each hole, which is quite cool. And now if I come back here, we can have a look at under start round. We can have a look at some course tips based on insights from 2,000 golfers. Not my course stats, so no scored round saved for this course, but if you do, they're going to be saved here. And my round history, so if you haven't played this course yet, you've got your round history in here, and you can schedule future rounds, add past rounds if you like. And now on the bottom of the page here, we've got community, courses, school, and me. So if we click on community, you're going to see all the community stuff in here of your friends, leagues, tournaments, leaderboards, your golf bag, golf IQ. You can start my first quiz and learn fun facts about golf if you like to do this. Go to courses, You can see the closest courses near yourself by scrolling down, and we've got some filters here, and we can even search for golf courses, and you can also bookmark these for later dates. If I click on the school, you can select your school profile if you're a coach and player and go through that. And at the bottom you got your profile, so you can click on me. This is where you can finish setting up your profile if you haven't done so already. So you can add friends here, golf bag, you can set your handicap, you can change your profile picture, name, you can add photos, you can have a look at your rounds played and all that stuff here as well.